looks like some other car bolts hitting here and dug it up. It happens, man. Rubbin's racing, I guess, you know.
Racing, you have to be very heads up. A lot of things happen, especially in endurance racing. There's a lot of strategy going on. You want to have a clear picture of what's going on around you. There's lots of elements and it changes all the time. It can be different from race to race or even from lap to lap. You always have to be 100% focused, which is what makes it a very interesting and I think nice sport. I have a very good history with Black Swan Racing. They gave me my first full season ride here in America, and it was an awesome one. We won the championship, we won many races, took many pole positions, and it's great to be back with them.
Put new brakes in, close the gate, put the endurance gates in. That's it, pretty easy on this car.
Just cleaning off all the rubber and the brake dust and the dirt. These tires will go back on the car again.
I'll go through and also re-zero all the sensors, so the damper sensors and then the lateral acceleration sensors all sort of build error over time. So you want to reset them before every session.
We're on a pretty trim operation around here. The car's name is Frida. Feel free to go fuck yourself. We're a bunch of misfits, but we get the job done. Like we like to say around here is at least if you're on this team, you're not digging knives out of your back. They're going to be stuck right here in the front. They're all in the front. I'd say shake and bake. He'll bash around this car. This big old thing's built for speed, baby. Oh yeah. Woo!